60 on the perks. I spent 60 on the perks. Pray to God they work. I remember trapping, yeah, sipping syrup, yeah, go berserk, yeah. Hey, I'm R. Kelly with that chopper, I'm a flirt, yeah. Hey, I am in another universe. Probably run up on them, then I'll let it go. I was running through the seats with the wall. 40 hit him with a wall. Hit the blunt, no pass. Hopefully I never crash the ass. Get into it with another white bitch. She be snorting up all of the white shit. I do the purple shit in the blues. It keep me from the blues. Shopper make you dance on your ones and twos. Yeah, make the news, yo. Hey, make the news, yo. Hey, backwood, Davies with the packwood.
Oh my goodness, boys. Can you guys read? I know all you guys can read. Auto freaking lamp. I think if you guys can put 2 and 2 together, you guys might know what these are. But if you did not watch the Infinity video getting 3-piece wheels, well, you guys would have known that I need to get clears. Finally bought them, except these, had to get them custom made because the clears that are made for this car, that come from a company, they have a red reflector and I didn't want the red reflector, so I had a company. They had the taillights in stock and I got the clears, but let's just freaking cut to the freaking monkey chase, dude. Oh my God, boys, here we go. Oh my God, boys, here we go. Can you guys see? Oh, you guys can see. Hold on, guys. Ooh, there's the trunk piece. See the trunk piece? Oh my God, let's take out the trunk piece, dude. Holy. Oh. That's good. Already beautiful. This is the trunk piece. Juicy part. Hold on. Oh, he packed these up real good. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Look at that, dude. Look at these, dude. So these were the red reflectors. As you can see, they're now silver. I just had him paint them. I could have had the decision of getting actual clear reflectors or you just painted them, but actual clear reflectors were like, the total would have come out to like too much money that I didn't want to spend, so I just had him paint them, and it looks pretty good if you ask me, but oh my goodness, dude. Ooh, yeah. Holy guys. Jeez. Those look crazy. I don't even want to touch the lenses, dude. These look good. So I'm pretty sure he had to open them up. Let's see if I can see where he opened them up at. Put this down. Yep, right here. You can kind of see he put some little closer look up at these here. Just inspecting the work. Looks good. So I think you have to cut these open. Looks pretty solid if you ask me. The freaking LED lights on the. Wow, yeah. Seam looks pretty good. Doesn't look, it looks really professional. Not really sure. There's this mark here, that mark here, and that mark here. Can you guys see that? Yeah, these 3 marks on this one. That might just be the sealant kind of leaking in maybe, but other than that, it's not too big of a deal. You can kind of see the sealant on the other side. You're not gonna really see that. Those are good. These are really good. All right, so I'm gonna bust these other side open. Wait. God dang, dude. Look at these. These look freaking good. Both of them together. Oh my gosh. Same process over here. It's like the same sealant, whatever. Take a flick on the phone. I'm excited to put these in. I've been needing new taillights also because on the left side, 2 of these little top LEDs are out. Or one is out for sure. The other one, like, I don't know, it'll sometimes go like in and out, which is kind of weird, but yeah, I don't know. Here's the good old before. This gave me a little pain. Freaking snowed outside. That thing's fun, the snow, let me tell you. It's gonna be kind of a pain. I gotta take all the trunk stuff out and all this. I also did get subs, little 210 kickers. I'll be showcasing, I'll show those later in the video. All right, I got the smallest freaking socket size of 5/16 that I have to use. I'm pretty sure it's just 3. There's one right here, and then one all the way down at the end. There's a little thing on it, I don't know what that is. There's a little white thing on it, but this module here, this is the tail as turn module that I have from Dive Dynamics. If you guys know Infinities, you know the turn signal's here, in that little, inside of this little circle, but tailless turn makes it the entire taillight, which is, I think, is way better. Yeah, just some plugs right there, and then I'll get these off. That's one. What? Okay. All right, got 3 off. The little white thing in the back was just attached to the bolt head. Oh yeah, just like that. Voila. Out with the old and with the new, baby. Right, tightened. Last thing to do, just plug this module in, and boom. Now they're in. Hold on, not reveal yet. I'm gonna do the trunk lock. All right, trunk lock is pretty simple. Just 3 bolts holding this Johnson in, and a plug. God, dude. All right, well, it's literally glued to the freaking car. I mean, God, I really do not want to sit here scraping away at this. All right, so that's as best I can get it, which honestly, I think this is acceptable. Can't really get this out. I mean, I think it'll be good enough. Cleaned with some alcohol, got the sticky stuff off. That thing was, you guys saw how it was before, so I think this is pretty acceptable. So, all right, big reveal, big reveal. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Taillights right here. Oh yeah. Yep. Those work. Turn signal, and then reverse. I gotta put the car in reverse. And I guess I forgot to flip the bulb around. Hold on. Yeah, that looks about right. Look at that too. Yep. Seems to be working properly. Got the lights on and the turn signals. Perfect. Now, other side. I'm not gonna film that part though because that's boring. Same thing I just did. All right, actually, I'll probably just do a time lapse of me freaking putting this thing in. So enjoy that. Alrighty, boys, y'all ready? God, smells like alcohol in here. Got the freaking rag in here. Here we go. These look good, dude. Look at that. Can't wait to take this thing out. As you can see, it's a little snowy on the ground. It's wet, sludge everywhere. And yeah, ignore this. Car's filthy. I know. I need to wash it, but I figured no point in taking it. I was just gonna get freaking dirty again. So I'm probably gonna wait this weekend. I'll wash it and then I'll take it out. Do some little POV drive. I'm sure you guys the subs as well. But yeah, boys, let me know what you think of the freaking clears, dude.
Several days later.
Alright, boys, we're now in the V, and this is my second day actually filming this video, my second time filming this video, because the first time, one, it was dark, and two, I was an idiot and I had my, I had the GoPro suction cup to my glass up here because I was gonna do it on the sunroof, but I got this stuff up here. Hope you guys can see that. Pretty sure you guys can see that. You guys can see literally everything I'm looking at. You guys are literally on my head right now. I got a hat on. The GoPro is literally in my eyeballs. I can't really see, but anything for the video. But I had this stuff in my sunroof, and I was gonna suction cup my GoPro to the sunroof and do it like that. But yeah, the suction cup did not want to stick to that material, so I resorted to suctioning it to my resorted to suction cupping it to my window. And I was an idiot. I was not thinking. I just suction cupped it, called it a day, and I did it vertical, and I was like, yeah, I'm not giving these guys a vertical. This lane sucks. I'm gonna scrape so bad. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. Okay, look, watch. Watch this. Car's on the left. There's a huge, yep, right there. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad, but in this thing, oh my God, I would literally... But yeah, but you guys always wanted some more POV driving, so here we go. I thought I'd do some more POV driving. Show you guys the subs as well. I got two 10-inch kicker, two 10-inch kickers in the back. Got that 1600 watt, and they bump pretty good. I'll show you guys that. I don't know if you'll be able to tell from inside of the car, but outside, oh my God, it rattles my entire trunk. Hopefully this POV is good. I think this is better than having the head strap on and putting it on my head, because the head strap kind of like is up way too high, but then at the same time this is like in my face. But I think it's pretty good. But I'll show you guys the subs here real quick. I'll annoy people at the stoplight here. So let me get a good song. I gotta go to my next playlist. Hold on. Pooh Shicey's pretty good. Two 10-inch kickers, 1600 watt, by the way. Whoa, wait, hold on, look at this. Ooh, S600, the V12. All right, hold on, look at that dog. I think the dog likes the bass. This is max bass. Look at my rearview mirror. Got some friends in the back with me. I don't like driving alone, so he's cooking real quick. But yeah, 210 kickers, boys. These things bump, dude, pretty good. Honestly, kind of wish I got 212s, but honestly, these bump pretty good. So I can play whatever I want. No copyright. I'm not monetized on this channel. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera how much the bass is, but this thing rattles pretty good. A lot of stuff rattles in here. It rattles pretty good, especially on the outside too. The trunk, holy crap. The trunk has the most insane amount of rattle. Also, let me know, for POV driving, do you guys like the head POV? What? There's a C806? No way! That's the first time I've ever seen one of those. Get off my booty cheeks, dude. That's the first time I've ever seen a C806 with a Z07 package in person. Holy, I've seen the ones like the normal base model Z06s. They look fire, but oh my God, that thing looked fire. What was I saying? POVs. Do you guys want a stationary POV, or do you guys like the headlamp where you can see me moving around? I kind of like, I feel like the headlamp would be better, or the headlamp. The head POV would be better because you guys can see what I'm looking at. Dude, it's a good 64 degrees right now. If you can see it, I got some squiggly lines on my LCD screen, so don't know what that's about. I got to get that like repaired or replaced or something like that, but that's, I don't care. But it's a good 64 degrees out right now. It's the first nice day out in a long time. So I thought I'd take this time, go out cruise, get some pictures. I'm gonna practice with my camera too. I have a Canon T5 that I've had for a couple years, but I bought it and I used it when I first got it, but then I just kind of waned off it. I didn't really use it that much, but I'm gonna practice again. Oh my God, all right. That's like low. That's what, halfway? Ooh, here, this one's a good one. Look at the mirror. Holy high center. I don't know if you guys can tell how much bass there actually is. All right, let's chill out with the bass. So I'm gonna head over to this spot right now. Hopefully the sun is still good in that area. I'm trying to learn how to use my camera and stuff, and I don't really want to do it at night. I'm not good with night shots yet. I barely even good with day shots, but I am out here a bit late. It is what? 4:30 and the sun is already going down. I hate that, bro. I hate daylight savings or wintertime. I don't like it, bro. I like when it's dark at 9 o'clock. That is the money time. Kind of feels like my day is so much longer. God dang it, I should have went out earlier. I didn't realize the sun would already be like, whoa, 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 what's that? Whoa, 240. Ooh, okay. It's like what do you want to call it? The Sil 80 has the Sylvia coupe rear end with the hatch, or not the hatch, the pop-up front end. I think it's a Sil 80, except it's not it's like a Sil 40. I got most of what I wanted done. I got a front lip, which is what I really wanted the most. New wheels and taillights, which I didn't really know I needed, but I definitely needed them. I'll give you guys a better overview because all you guys, I think it's hard. I'll give you guys a better overview when I'm outside over at this area that I want to go to.
Bitch call me big spill. Boy, that call me dangerous and young like a bad pill. Boy, I killed the main op, know that that's a big kill.
All right, so I'm thinking either going there or there, which it doesn't look like the sun is over there. I can't really see. I got this GoPro on my head. I'm gonna go straight. That looks to be promising. You have a stop sign, but you're going right. All right, so I'm gonna hit them up straight. All right, so this is valid. So we'll have. I really do not want that thing in my pictures. They probably leave the keys, and I can just move it myself. All right, so I'll show you guys the subs here. Let me get a good song. So funny. All right, let me take this thing off my head. All right, ignore the garbage back here, but 2 10 kickers. Look at this. We got the amp up here, and then a little. Thing's bumped pretty good. For this one. Oh my god. Wait. It's just so goofy. I have a little knob down here that I can turn this with. So that was all the way down, it's all the way up. All right. Oh my god, it's so funny, dude. But here we go. Here are the freaking clear tails, dude, in all of their glory. Check this out. After a few days of driving this thing and taking pictures and stuff, I think I'm really glad I got these clear tails. These look so, dude, that dude was flying. This little peaceful area, this thing over here. Sun's about to set. This looks fire, dude. Fem is a little uneven right now. The back is not that low and the front is super high right now. The ground must be a little weird, but with the clear tails, dude, check that out. Oh my god, I literally just washed this thing too. Really? There's a freaking pumpkin right there. Okay. I'm gonna get some like iPhone cinematics. I think I'm gonna attempt some iPhone cinematics. It kind of sucks, but it's better than nothing. God dang, dude, this thing looks so good. I'm so happy with how this car turned out. The wheels literally made the car. Literally, wheels and lowering it just a tad made this thing look like perfect. I'm gonna put you guys back on my head. I'm gonna use my freaking camera thing. Where is it? Oh, definitely not here. This thing is not good for cinematics. It's not stable at all. Keep it a buck. I don't even know how to use this thing. All right. I really don't know how to use this thing, so I'm gonna just put it in auto mode and start shooting. Goodness, this thing looks good though. Holy. It's fire. Look at the sky in the background too. Okay, this autofocus sucks on this camera. It's like my favorite type of shot right here. Favorite type of shot. Because you get the wheels and all the goodness in the back. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good one. Just get the whole car. I was actually just focusing on the rear. That is literal heat right there. Alright, you guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. So, are you serious, bro? Alright, well, anyways, like I was saying, I think I'm going to conclude the video here, boys. Hope you guys did enjoy this video, the clears, installs, and little show you guys about the subs and stuff like that. But yeah, boys, if you guys do like the clears, let me know down below in the comments. I think they make the car look a lot better. I was on the fence at first when I put them on, but now after driving around and actually seeing it with the wheels and the entire car and stuff, I think it looks really good. Ties in really well together with the chrome trim on the wheels, or chrome trim on the windows, the chrome wheels, and the white on the car. Because I think the red didn't look bad, don't get me wrong, but it like stood out. And this all kind of like blends in. I think it makes it look really good. Now, next thing, maybe get rid of these orange reflectors in the front. That might change the entire look of the car too as well, even though it's some small, tiny little thing. Oh, God, look at that sunset though. Pretty good sunset. But yeah, I might change those, but I really don't want to open up the headlights and deal with all that. So they are leaking though, so that might give me an excuse. Yeah, boys, if you guys want to see more content, dude, subscribe to the channel and like the video. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna bounce, and I will see you guys in the next one.